网球，网球，网球。
Tennis.
Tennis.
他除了喜欢打网球以外，还喜欢爬山。他除了喜欢打网球以外，还喜欢爬山。他除了喜欢打网球以外，还喜欢爬山。
In addition to playing tennis, he also likes hiking.
In addition to playing tennis, he also likes hiking.
明天我们一起去打网球，好吗？明天我们一起去打网球，好吗？明天我们一起去打网球，好吗？
Let's go play tennis together tomorrow, okay?
Let's go play tennis together tomorrow, okay?
我上午要去银行，我回来以后直接去找你。我上午要去银行，我回来以后直接去找你。我上午要去银行，我回来以后直接去找你。
I'm going to the bank in the morning. I'll go directly to you when I get back.
I'm going to the bank in the morning. I'll go directly to you when I get back.
打网球不仅对人的身体健康有好处，还可以使人养成做事积极主动的态度。打网球不仅对人的身体健康有好处，还可以使人养成做事积极主动的态度。打网球不仅对人的身体健康有好处，还可以使人养成做事积极主动的态度。
Playing tennis is not only good for people's health, but also helps people develop a proactive attitude towards doing things.
Playing tennis is not only good for people's health, but also helps people develop a proactive attitude towards doing things.
国际，国际，国际。
International.
International.
国际会议是下午2点吗？国际会议是下午2点吗？国际会议是下午2点吗？
Is the international conference at 2 o'clock in the afternoon?
Is the international conference at 2 o'clock in the afternoon?
改了，2点半，推迟了半个小时。改了，2点半，推迟了半个小时。改了，2点半，推迟了半个小时。
Changed. 2:30, delayed by half an hour.
Changed. 2:30, delayed by half an hour.
由于天气原因，国际航班都推迟起飞了。由于天气原因，国际航班都推迟起飞了。由于天气原因，国际航班都推迟起飞了。
Due to weather conditions, international flights have been delayed.
Due to weather conditions, international flights have been delayed.
他不喜欢国际关系专业，正在考虑换专业。他不喜欢国际关系专业，正在考虑换专业。他不喜欢国际关系专业，正在考虑换专业。
He doesn't like the international relations major and is considering changing his major.
He doesn't like the international relations major and is considering changing his major.
轻松，轻松，轻松。
Relaxed.
Relaxed.
阅读轻松的文章可以让你的心情变好。阅读轻松的文章可以让你的心情变好。阅读轻松的文章可以让你的心情变好。
Reading relaxing articles can make you feel better.
Reading relaxing articles can make you feel better.
学习压力大，听音乐可以使你轻松一下。学习压力大，听音乐可以使你轻松一下。学习压力大，听音乐可以使你轻松一下。
Studying is stressful, listening to music can make you relax.
Studying is stressful, listening to music can make you relax.
要想让自己轻松、快乐，首先要学会把烦恼扔掉。要想让自己轻松、快乐，首先要学会把烦恼扔掉。要想让自己轻松、快乐，首先要学会把烦恼扔掉。
If you want to make yourself relaxed and happy, you must first learn to throw away your worries.
If you want to make yourself relaxed and happy, you must first learn to throw away your worries.
赢，赢，赢。
Win.
Win.
为了赢得比赛，他每天都辛苦训练。为了赢得比赛，他每天都辛苦训练。为了赢得比赛，他每天都辛苦训练。
To win the game, he trains hard every day.
To win the game, he trains hard every day.
对手太强了，这场比赛他赢不了。对手太强了，这场比赛他赢不了。对手太强了，这场比赛他赢不了。
The opponent is too strong, he can't win this game.
The opponent is too strong, he can't win this game.
这场羽毛球比赛他差一点就赢了。这场羽毛球比赛他差一点就赢了。这场羽毛球比赛他差一点就赢了。
He almost won this badminton match.
He almost won this badminton match.
随便，随便，随便。
Casual. At random.
Casual. At random.
他随便拍了2张照片，效果很好。他随便拍了2张照片，效果很好。他随便拍了2张照片，效果很好。
He took 2 random photos, and the results were very good.
He took 2 random photos, and the results were very good.
不要随便把垃圾扔在地上。不要随便把垃圾扔在地上。不要随便把垃圾扔在地上。
Don't throw rubbish on the ground.
Don't throw rubbish on the ground.
时间还早，我们随便逛逛吧。时间还早，我们随便逛逛吧。时间还早，我们随便逛逛吧。
It's still early, let's take a walk.
It's still early, let's take a walk.
汗，汗，汗。
Sweat.
Sweat.
比赛结束后，2支球队的球员脸上都沾满了汗水。比赛结束后，2支球队的球员脸上都沾满了汗水。比赛结束后，2支球队的球员脸上都沾满了汗水。
After the game, players from both teams had sweat on their faces.
After the game, players from both teams had sweat on their faces.
天气太热，身体很容易出汗。天气太热，身体很容易出汗。天气太热，身体很容易出汗。
The weather is too hot and the body sweats easily.
The weather is too hot and the body sweats easily.
你满头大汗，用手巾擦擦汗吧。你满头大汗，用手巾擦擦汗吧。你满头大汗，用手巾擦擦汗吧。
You are sweating profusely. Wipe your sweat with a towel.
You are sweating profusely. Wipe your sweat with a towel.
通过，通过，通过。
Through. By means of. Pass through.
Through. By means of. Pass through.
我们可以通过对话协商处理这个问题。 我们可以通过对话协商处理这个问题。我们可以通过对话协商处理这个问题。
We can deal with this issue through dialogue and negotiation.
We can deal with this issue through dialogue and negotiation.
只有通过自己的努力得到的东西才有价值。只有通过自己的努力得到的东西才有价值。只有通过自己的努力得到的东西才有价值。
Only what you get through your own efforts has value.
Only what you get through your own efforts has value.
前面道路塌陷，车辆无法通过。前面道路塌陷，车辆无法通过。前面道路塌陷，车辆无法通过。
The road ahead collapsed and vehicles were unable to pass.
The road ahead collapsed and vehicles were unable to pass.
谢谢观看。